All right, starting out the day, $14.83 to charge up. We're at 80%. Is today going to be the last day that Uber and DriveWhip play nice and allow us to keep using the platforms? Or are we going to wake up tomorrow morning to some news and, not have Uber? We are going to find out. But either way, we're out here to work today. It is Sunday. It is kind of overcast. It's 80 degrees, though. I don't know if it's going to rain or not. And, rightfully, I don't care. Anyway, we're going to try to make some money today, man. 200's the goal. I don't know if it's going to happen. They have sent me some comfort reservations, and not very enticing, that's for sure. So we didn't take any of them. Remember, if I turn down a trip radar, or if I do not accept a reservation request, it doesn't count against my acceptance rating. Only when it's exclusive, guys and ladies. Only when it's exclusive. But then again, who cares? Let's get this money. Not our job to fix rideshare. It's our job to get our money and bounce. And that's what we're going to do. Let's get our money and bounce. First ride in the books, little comfort ride. It was like just under $10 with a $5 tip. Went about 15 minutes. Nice guy. First time for him in a Tesla. And so, of course, he, was curious about the screens and sizes and all of that stuff. We had a really, really good conversation. Kind of went a little off the path, if you will. He wanted to talk about Elon's role with the government right now, and I'm cool with that. I'll always have an open and honest conversation about that kind of stuff because I'm okay with it. As long as it's respectful, we're good to go. And so, yeah, I don't know. That's the only request I've gotten, though, right? It's 2:30. That's the only request I've gotten. And that was comfort. I was trying not to take any comfort rides without surge, but there's no surge anywhere. Like, it's really quiet. Eerily quiet. All right, you see, this is a problem. Uber sends me a comfort reserve ride that's already not that great, but I figure it's slow, what the hell, right? So I accept it, but the problem is it came to me like a regular exclusive ride, okay? Which means somebody had accepted this before and canceled it. So it comes to me as an exclusive. But what it doesn't tell us is what time the scheduled pickup time is. So I come here, it took like 10 minutes to get here. I get here, I'm an exclusive neighborhood, right? Community, yada, yada, yada. The pickup isn't until 3:15. It's 2:42. So now, for that same less than $25, it's already going to be a 40-minute ride. It took me 10 minutes to get here. Now they want me to wait a whole nother half hour to pick this guy up. What? Not my job to fix rideshare. I'm going to turn on Lyft. This guy, no offense to him, it's not his fault. Better hope goddamn well I don't get a Lyft black request because I will bail. I canceled that shit. Still had another 20 minutes to wait for this guy. Damn that. Uber. Anyway, let's go get this $10 comfort. All right, so we actually got the 162.63, and this was on 7 trips today. I'm starting to understand what my issue is. Why I get so, I don't want to say nervous, but why I doubt sometimes I'm going to get the numbers I need to get. I think it's because we've had such a good period here of steady flow. So it's not like we're getting these big monster rides or, just overwhelming amount of rides, but they've been steady, right? And the areas that I work in, whether it's in Fort Lauderdale, whether it's out west, Weston, whether it's Coral Springs, Boca, Delray, wherever it is, I'm used to that steady flow. And when I come out now, especially this weekend during the day, Saturday and Sunday, during the day was not good. It was extreme. And matter of fact, I'd have done better staying at home. But you know what? And then we get towards the evening times, and then all of a sudden, there we go. The rides are coming in, and we're making a few dollars. So I think it's more my paranoia and so used to the steady flow of rides. As my friend Fireman Mike calls it, the Rizzo flow. And you know what? I've been saying it, right? We're coming, at least in South Florida, we're coming towards the end. We're not at the end yet, but we're getting close. And so now I need to be cognizant of that as far as when the right time. See, now I have to start adjusting my times of work. Now I might have to add a morning shift, a pre trading shift in the mornings, Monday through Friday, and then and then working in the afternoons to make up for whatever I perceive or think I'm missing during the day on Saturdays and Sundays. Um, that's what I think. I could be full of it. I don't know, but that's how I'm kind of seeing it. Anyway, we're at 162.63. I think I'm going to call it. Some things I want to do tonight in the office at the house, and I need to get that done. I've been meaning to get these things done. I just haven't done it yet. We had a good weekend, man. We had a good 3 days. So, we're going to take the money. We're going to run. Tomorrow's another day. Look for a live stream in the morning, y'all. Actually, you guys will see this tomorrow afternoon. So the live stream would have happened this morning, which is tomorrow. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Monday morning. Maybe I'll do a coffee with Cuz in the morning, talking about the situation with Drive Whip and where we're at. With that being said, I hope y'all stay safe. I know one of the comments I had on my video was they want me to do more news, more Tesla news on this channel. So you know what? I've never really been a news guy, but we're going to give it a shot. And just to keep everybody informed with what's going on. And by the way, this was a 4:3 ratio on this video. So if it looks funny, don't sweat it. It wasn't you. It's not you. It's me. All right. I will talk to y'all later and appreciate you. Hit the buttons. We'll see you next week.